Hello, this is Jason Aldrich, National Account Manager with Legrand rAVe, coming to you from Charlotte, North Carolina at the inaugural TD SYNNEX InVision event. We're thrilled to be here, showcasing all of the wonderful brands that you know and love from Legrand rAVe. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about our Vaddio IntelliSHOT camera. How nice is this small little device? So this thing is going to provide you 4K optical lens capability, and with this device we're going to put it into kind of a huddle space environment, smaller conference rooms, potentially even some type of home office setups is going to be great for this as well. The IntelliSHOT camera from Vaddio utilizes motion sensing technology to do auto framing, and it does that with that 4K lens, scaling it down to a 1080p image. It's a wonderful product, available in black, white. I'll sit it back down here for you. And I cannot say anything about Legrand rAVe and Vaddio without talking about all the other wonderful brands that we have at TD SYNNEX available for you. And you can see them on our tablecloth here, as well as a lot of wonderful product on the table on display for our reseller partners here at the event. And we certainly look forward to talking to those folks and sharing a wealth of knowledge about Legrand rAVe. If you need more info, please touch base at legrandrave.com.